if you want to know how to fix a Snapchat device ban, you've come to the right place. So you won't be able to log in into your account, you won't be able to create a new account, and even if you'll create, they automatically get banned. So I'll show you all the ways of how can you try to fix it. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. And the first reason of why do you receive this problem is that you need to open App Store or Google Play and here search for Snapchat. So if you don't have like the latest version, sometimes it could be the reason why can you get this problem, why can't you basically log in and use a Snapchat in a correct way. The next thing we need to check is that we need to open our settings and scroll down to find a Snapchat app in this list here. So on the Android it may look a little bit different, but make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on, and also all the settings are the same as I have. Maybe it can affect your ban. So after that, I suggest you also to go to General here and then just go to iPhone storage. So here we need to wait until everything will be calculated, but what is interesting is that we need to manage some Snapchat storage parameters here. So try to find the same folder on the Android. On the iPhone it looks like this, so we need to wait for a little. And here in this list we also need to find a Snapchat. So we need to basically use some trick to clear our information or something like this. So we need to open Snapchat and then just simply click on a float right up here. After that, instead of a float, you'll receive button with reinstall app. So as you can see, this will free your storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstall your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So after that, what you're gonna do, if we still didn't fix this problem, so you can try to reopen this stuff. And if it still doesn't work, then we need to open our Safari or Google Chrome and here search for Snapchat support. And we need to open snapchatsupport.com, and here we have a couple of topics we can basically send a report. We need to click on my account is compromised. So we'll come to the next page where we need to explain our problem, and if we'll scroll down, we need to answer for some of the questions. And here we have the form where you can find username, email and mobile number. Make sure that the information is correct. So we need to add the correct username, working email, and also our mobile number. So after that, we need to explain our problem in the description. We need to say something like this: I got banned from Snapchat on my device, but I didn't do something, so fix it please, help me please, and so on. Then just simply click on submit and send the report, and after that, in some hours, maybe 1 or 2 days, you'll receive the response from Snapchat. Probably they will fix it and they will unban you, or they will say why did they ban you, maybe it was reasonable. So this is a way of how to fix a Snapchat device ban. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.